G'day and welcome to Travels with Roy Wyss. Well, what is the best caravan brand? Well, the truth after 25 years? Well, everyone asks me this. What's the best caravan brand? And after 25 years of building caravans, I'm going to give you the answer, and it's probably not what you expect. I've designed them, built them, repaired them, and I've seen what fails out on the road. Now, here's the truth most people don't want to hear. You know, the big truth. There is no such thing as the best caravan brand. Everyone believes their brand is the best. Some are justified. Others are maybe caught up in the hype or have alternative motives. But the real truth is, there's only the best caravan for what you want to do. Because here's the problem. Most people buy a brand based on what looks good, what the salespeople tell them, or what someone else bought, or maybe a great deal at a caravan show, or maybe marketing hype. People who are brand loyal. And that's how people end up with the wrong caravan. Because what's right for someone else may not be right for you. If you're doing caravan parks and highways, you don't need a hardcore off-road caravan. And if you're heading to the outback, a lightweight van will literally fall apart. Different jobs require different builds, and it really is as simple as that. So now let's talk about what actually matters. And you'll hear me talk about this a lot. The chassis strength, suspension design, frame construction, electrical system quality. And of course, there's always water capacity and tank location. A brand isn't strong. It's the engineering and after sales and support. This is where people get caught out. Warranty support. Access to parts, and then we've got the manufacturer versus dealer support. The best caravan in the world is useless if no one answers the phone when something breaks. I used to answer my phone 7 days a week at all hours for customers in trouble. Why? Because things never go wrong during convenient office hours. Look, just because a brand is popular doesn't mean it's better. Sometimes it just means they're good at marketing. I should know. I've watched lesser products outsell my own brand because their marketing was way better. And some of them, well, they went bust soon afterwards. In fact, I could name a few. But right now I'm choosing to buy my own caravan, and even with 25 years of experience, it's not actually that easy. The real answer, so what's the best caravan brand? Well, it's the one that suits your travel style and your tow vehicle. It suits your budget, but it must be built properly. And it has to be backed by people who stand behind it. Now, for my money, I wouldn't start with a brand. I'd start with how I'm going to use it. Look, follow this channel because I'm going to show you exactly how to choose the right caravan without wasting your money. Now, if you like, hit that subscribe button, notification button, and comment. And look, please don't forget to check out my other videos. There's lots of information here for everybody.